Hi, my name is Binshra. I'm based in UAE. I'm an Indian, and I'm here to give a feedback on the webinar session that was conducted by Dr. Sanjeev Chakraborty. And the title was Elements of Visionary Leadership, Strategic Institution, and Decision Making. So personally, what I felt was it was a full-on, power-packed, and at the same time a compact package on, as the title suggests, on a visionary leadership. I would personally like to thank Mr. Chakraborty for this very informative and enlightening session that he had conducted. It was, for people like me, it was actually an eye opener because I have worked under pressure. I've worked under a very aggressive and a competitive workplace. And my take from this session would be, if I'm looking for a leadership position, how I will not become a leader that I don't want to work under. And this is exactly the things that he taught us, how we can do that. So basically, he had a very well prepared. A well prepared session where he had explained everything in detail, like all the elements that is required for building a rapport, for building a professional and a healthy relationship with the colleagues, with the subordinates.